In this video, we will move on to the advanced features of gateway, like edge computing, VPN transmission, and data transfer. Firstly, we take a look at the edge computing function. This is a script function. This function is based on the JavaScript language to realize some advanced features. Here, you need to add a script in and name the script. You need to add the variables to declare, then use these variables in here we can use these variables in program. For example, here I can declare a variable a and equals to the get this is 16-bit unsigned. So here we can get this and set the alias. The alias is var, and offset here we can set 0, means we will read the value of LW1. If I change the offset to 2, it means I will read the value of LW3. 3 is 1 plus 2. Then also you can set this variable to another, set this value to another variables. Here is a target variable. I can set to TCP target. Okay, and input the target variable name. Offset is 0. Value is a. Variable a. Write the variable a to target variable. Then you can try to run this program. If the return code is 1, means this program works successfully. Then you can save and close. Next step is to add a policy to execute the script. Here, to add policy. There are different execution conditions you can choose. You can choose to start the script at the startup, or periodical to execute, or set the condition to trigger the script execution. Periodical or condition. Here we can choose the periodical to write to execute this script in a time interval 5 seconds, and here to choose the script to execute. The last step is you need to download this policy to the gateway. Otherwise this policy will not be executed successfully. Then here we can download. The green dot means the policy is synchronized successfully. Here I create some script in advance. The calendar is to read the internal time of a gateway. Also, you can refer to click on the help. Here are some instructions you can refer to, and descriptions about these instructions. And also there are some JavaScript example for remote shutdown or some basic calculation function. And here you can see also the get date and time here to get gateway time, and also get error. Because I created a script to read the gateway time in advance, here you can see the date time group, the year, month, and the day, and the hour, minute, seconds. Here you can read. And the next function is the VPN remote download function. There are two types. One is VPN transmission, and the second one is the general transmission. It works via serial port. VPN works via Ethernet port. Firstly, we need to add the device in advance to configure the communication between gateway and other PLCs. Here I take the FC5 PLC as an example. And now the gateway and FC5 PLC is communicated, and there is an Ethernet cable between them. Now we can click on the VPN transfer. Here you can see there are 3 servers for VPN transmission. We have US, India, and Europe servers. You can choose the nearest server to download the program. Here, because now we are in China and near to the India, so we can choose this India server. And the mode, faster and standard. Faster is the speed of transmission is faster than standard mode, but is not stable. Is not much stable than the standard mode. So if you request a stable transmission, you can choose the standard mode. And then click connect. Yes. Maybe then there is a lightning icon. When the VPN is ready, there is a lightning icon beside the device. Maybe sometimes when you open the VPN transmission, this interface is not same as mine. So you need to click on the refresh button to refresh this software. Then enter the VPN transmission page again. This page will be refreshed, and you can configure normally. After the VPN is ready, we can open the FStudio Unify software, and we need to add a device in add a variable here, because we create a variable to monitor the change of program. Now in the program, we created a program to set this variable on or off in 2 seconds, and the map address of this variable is 1025. Here we can add a variable here, Modbus TCP, and VPN function station number 16-bit It's a bit and address 1025. Read and write. Now you can see the status of the VPN address is changed in 2 seconds. Then we click on the remote VPN transmission and standard mode connect. Here we can change the program to 10 seconds. Download. The IP of PLC is 050. Then we can confirm and download to the PLC. Now my PC is not connected to the PLC directly. I just use a VPN adapter to remote download the PLC program by the gateway. Here to start the PLC. And now we can back to the close VPN transmission. Now we can see this VPN status changed in 10 seconds. And then maybe sometimes other customers will face a problem that they cannot the VPN function cannot get ready, and even if the VPN is ready, they cannot download the program to the PLC. You need to check the network adapter here. Here there is a Windows adapter, V9 adapter is for the VPN transmission, and it is installed automatically when you when you install the SCADA Manager or Flexem Manager. Then this adapter will run when you enable the VPN transmission. Here we can see, we can click on the VPN transmission again and connect. Now the Ethernet 2 is running. And once you use TI Portal program or others, you need to change this network adapter to download the program. When I close this VPN, now you can see this adapter doesn't work. There is another point is for VPN For communication and VPN transmission, you need to set the LAN IP of a gateway. And what is the difference between IP address and LAN IP? IP address is the IP that the gateway is connected to the internet, and also it is called WAN IP. You can find WAN IP and LAN IP on the hardware of a gateway. And LAN IP is mainly for the communication between gateway and PLC or other devices. The importance is the LAN IP and the WAN IP should not in same network because, for example, the IP address is 102 network. So you have to set the LAN IP to another network. Here it is 0. So this is a important point you have to pay attention to. And then the second remote transmission is serial port transmission. Here you can click on the transmission and this is because this is connected by the Ethernet, so we have to change the serial port communication device, then start the transmission. Click on this transmission and OK. You need to install the virtual COM in advance. And install the virtual COM. Click confirm. It start to install the driver. Okay. After the driver is installed, you can click on the transmission again. And channel is ready. When it is ready, you can choose the specified COM to download the program. Then after the download, you can stop the transmission. Then the third part is data transfer. It is supposed to push data to the third-party platform by MQTT protocol. Then here you need to add a connection, add a server name. We can set the MQTT test. Here is a free server we can use for test. And the port is 1883. Here you can set the general information of this server, the version and push method, keep alive interval, And if there is authentication is enabled for the server, you have to set the username and password. And the connection mode, if you choose the TCP encrypted, you need to upload the certificate. And others, whether to offline cache, maybe the gateway is offline, but the data is still, so the data cannot push to the platform. You can choose to save the offline data to the hardware. Then the gateway is online again. You can push this data to the platform. Then click confirm OK. And then here we need to add the different functions to push data. Here we can choose push variable data, or push alarm, or write variable, or reboot, or get the fgate information. Here we can choose publish variable data. And the description is pub data. And here is a publish topic. Then add variables. You can click on add to add a variable and link the variable here. Link the variable to select a variable from the variable list or internal variable. Or you can also batch import the variable. Here we can choose the VPN. Here is the data format you can choose. You can click on the configuration button to see the difference between different formats. Here you can see the KV is the name and to display name and value, and the NV is name and name of value and value of the value variable. And then push policy enable and periodical you need to choose. Otherwise, this function will not be pushed to the platform. Then click OK. And start the MQTT server. When this dot is green, it means the synchronization is successfully. And then we can use a third-party tool like MQTT FX software to test. Now we need to add a connection. This one, add one. MQTT broker address, and the OK. Subscribe, connect. Here we need to connect the server and subscribe this publish topic. Now we can see this variable and its value. Also, you can add other functions. More details you can refer to the MQTT menu. We will upload to our website, and you can download from our website. Okay, for MQTT functions, there are also other. If you change something, here, if you want to change the data format or time format, you can click on this arrow and here to add the customized format. But you need to pay attention to the script, to the description, and also you can change the time format. You can use different time zone and choose the format. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for your watching.